Hello, I'm Melena Hall, and today we'll be exploring target 64602755. Okay, so I have this flat base surface. Natural land, I'm getting subjects here. Seems to be a crowd of subjects, male and female. Seems to be a focus gathering. I'm getting a few foliage, not a lot. And there are peaks in the distance. I'm also getting vehicles. So there's a road here amongst all the natural land around. So there could be a city by if there's cars and people here. Outside, the temperature seems hot. People seems to be in casual clothing. So let's say here's a subject, male. Casual clothing seems to be amongst the crowd, seeing something in the distance, and it's a very hot day, and it seems to be in a different location far from the city. So this area seems to be very outdoor, very in like a forest area with desert area, harsh natural, rocky, sandy, like dirt everywhere. Not a lot of people come out this way because it's very natural here, so it's very different from the city. So people come to explore, adventurous people, and there seems to be some type of activity going on, but it's not in this location. So I'm getting burning smells, picking up like a hot, smoky, natural smell, like not an exhaust car smell. It smells very smoky and very hot, like outside, like a burning smell, like hot dirt or hot rocks, like something that's hot and it smells, and it's burning your nose. It's very hot. It's very intense, like the smell. So it's flowing through the subjects. The smell is going throughout the whole environment. So let's start again to see where this smell is coming from. 64602755. Whoa. So I'm going to look around and see exactly where it is. I'm getting a lot of energetics, a lot of heat. So let's see where this activity is. I'm going to go 1,000 feet up. So from below, I'm far away from the subjects. I'm seeing a lot of foliage, a lot of rocky areas. I'm getting a lot of hills, irregular topography, mountains. I'm getting smoke. It's getting hotter from this area from below. Now let's go 1,000 feet up. Wow. So on top of all the mountains and the regular topography, I'm seeing lights. It's really, really hot. The smell is more intense, very intense, like it's super hot. Like hot and gassy smells. Loud sounds. Then I'm getting loud noises. Loud noises, like gushing noises, like very, very gushy and like it sounds like a missile, but you don't hear like the pop, but it's like explosive sounds, but it's very wet, like it's wet explosive sounds, like when you hear water, but it's hot. It's very hot. I'm also seeing from the distance, I see the city. I'm seeing a land and water interface. But from here at the top of this mountain, these peaks, these hills, this irregular topography, rocky area is super, super hot. I'm hearing a lot of noises, a lot of wild noises, I'm hearing like animal sounds, a lot of noises amongst the foliage, amongst the trees around this area. So it's very intense at the top of this target. So let's move 1 mile in each direction of the target. So from right here, at the center, there's the mountains, the noises, the hot, intense heat, the explosive sounds, the gushing, and coming to my right, foliage, the regular topography that's going down, and flat area. To my left, same thing, a regular topography, very rocky. Then you have the flat land, and it's just very like a forest type area on each side, from behind the peaks. I'm getting this flat land and like a land water interface. I'm seeing the land water interface because it's this big huge mountain peaks all in that center. Then behind it's like trees, then going below there's dirt, and then you see water. So here I'm getting here this water. So going up, up and in front of this peak, I'm also seeing the flat land in front of all this. I'm seeing the flat land. In the distance there's the subjects, the focus gathering, the people, they're watching, they're excited, and they're like so happy. They're so shocked, and they're excited. It's a lot of things in this area, and it's not in the city. It's way different from the city area, and this environment is just so different, and it's very different. It's a very exotic area out here, and the subjects were pleased to see this. So let's see. So as I look, I'm seeing the flat land in the distance. And from the distance, I'm seeing the city. Far out, I'm getting this road area. And from this area, way far out, there's these peaks. Getting peaks. I'm getting foliage, trees all around. It's very dirt, sandy area. Subjects here, way far out. The subjects, the vehicles. Vehicles just on the road, parked. Not a lot of people come out this way. Very, very dangerous to be out here. Seems like more of a camping site or somewhat. So I'm getting trees, a few foliage out here. Getting like this sandy environment, dirt, sand. So basically what I have here is the subjects here, the crowd, the people, they're watching from a distance, the whole mountains, the rockiness, and they're finding out the smell is coming from this here, this big, tall, dark, black and brown mountain, and it seems to be exploding, gushing out with fire and flames and like gushing hot liquid. And here's the rocky area, the irregular topography around it, and there's also foliage all amongst these whole big mountains. And here's like a road is very harsh natural on both sides of the road because the flat land is dusty, it's sandy, very dryish. It's like sand and smoke at the top, and it's very sandy, very dusty. The sounds from this mountain is very loud. It's so noticeable. The sight is so like you see it in the sky. You smell the burning smells. You smell the heat. You smell like the fire, the rocks. Like there's rocks like flying everywhere. It's very dangerous. Like it's a risky environment, very dangerous. People cannot stand around this area because it's very dangerous. You can get hurt. Death is here at this target. You couldn't even be around this area. And so on. So, and there's the water in distance, and there's also water. There's water behind this big mountain areas. There's trees, water. It's like a island almost, but the island is very big, and a lot of trees, a lot of noises, a lot of forest areas all around this mountain. And there's a city in the distance. So, and that's it.